Namaste. Today I shall be talking on bullying come aggression coupled with rules and regulations. Children who get bullied are physically smaller, sensitive, quiet, withdrawn, non retaliatory, and vulnerable. How do you come to know that they're getting bullied? They would be anxious, they would lose their belongings, declining grades, and resisting going to school. They would be unusually apologetic for no apparent reason. In contrast, who are bullies? Bullies are physically stronger, bigger, and taller than other children of their age group. They are adept at taunting, hitting, pushing, teasing other children. They can hurt them and terrorize them into doing things that they don't want to do. Remember, bullying can be devastating for your child's personality, confidence, and self esteem. But all aggression is not bullying. Now, some children who are very young are not articulate. They haven't learned the art of talking. So they use their hands, their legs, and they shout to express themselves. Now, if this becomes a pattern and the child is getting aggressive every now and then you have to see the underlying problem. Is the child having difficulty in expressing himself? Or is there a stress that is being vented out here? Whatever be the reason, you have to help the child to mend his ways and to control his anger in a constructive manner. Also, be aware it is not just the bully who's the sufferer, even the bullied ones are equally suffering. A bully, sooner or later, will not have his way, and then he will realize he has no other skills to sail him through because he spent his entire time in plotting and planning how to intimidate other children into submission rather than building on life skills. Now, for some tips for bullies. Tell him how his behavior is making him so unpopular. 2. How he's losing the love of his parents and friends. 3. Tell him how terrible he would feel if somebody behaved the way he behaves with others. 4th, any further complaints from the neighborhood or from the school about his behavior, his best activities like games, toys will be taken away. Now, for some tips for children who are at the receiving end, the bullied ones. 1. Listen. Pay full attention to your child and ask him, what happened next? What did you do then? In a gentle manner. 2. Stay calm. Don't get angry. Don't get anxious. 3. Tell your child that it's not his fault and that he's absolutely normal if he feels terrible about what happened to him. 4. Speak to the school as soon as you can. 5. Be assertive to the teacher, not angry or accusatory. 6. Tell your child to put his hand in front like this with the finger pointing at the bully. And your child should say, don't do it. Now, when he says that to the bully, it can deter the bully to back off at least temporarily. Tell your child not to stand alone, to stand with other group of children. Now, finally, something about rules and regulation. Setting rules and enforcing rules will also help in curtailing and curbing bullying behavior to a large extent. It's like saying, I care for you, I respect you, so I want to correct you. If you have clear rules like no hitting, no spitting, no teasing, no pushing, and if the child still does it, the consequences will not seem unfair to him. Otherwise, he's likely to say, I didn't know that I wasn't supposed to do that. He's going to spend his energy in getting mad at you. There will be no learning. Now, your rules and regulations need to come first, and the inevitable misbehavior of your child ought to come 2nd. If you do not have clear cut rules in your house, You're not just failing to prevent problems, you're also inviting limit testing behavior. Now, hear me clearly. Your child will keep pushing you, pushing you, pushing you, looking for that wall. Or he'll keep pulling you, pulling you, pulling you like an elastic, not knowing when it's going to break. So, as a parent, in advance, tell your child about your rules, your regulations, and the consequences. This way, the child is going to be better prepared. I think that's enough for now. In my next video, I'm going to take up fears, little children's fears, fear of going to school, fear of leaving home, fear of darkness. I promise you, it's going to be very interesting. Till then, stay healthy, stay indoors. Thank you.